Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we all know that gold is confused right now. If you have watched the chart of gold, then you know it that gold looks confused right now. So my dear friends, this video is going to be a little bit complicated, so if you're busy right now, if you're doing something, then please watch the video later so that you can understand the things properly. So let's get started. First of all, let's look at the chart of DXY. US dollar index is right now standing at 104.10. This is the current market price, and we can clearly see on the chart that dollar is also heading towards a squeeze here. Dollar is squeezing. Dollar is heading towards a narrow channel, which signifies that a big breakout is coming very soon. Because if you look at the chart carefully, then we can see a symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern. Yesterday we discussed about the importance of the previous low here, because when I recorded the previous video, dollar was still in downtrend. So the last low of dollar was significant because a lower low would have suggested a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. But dollar formed a higher low and higher high, and we can see a pure, clean, symmetrical triangle pattern. So yes, my dear friend, by today or by tomorrow, there's a good chance that dollar will be finally out of the range and we will get to see a big breakout on the chart of DXY. As it's a bilateral pattern, you need to draw lines like this and you need to wait for the right time. 104.70 is still the resistance for the market, but if the intensity of the breakout is too high, then obviously market will not respect 104.70. Today we don't have any news also, otherwise we would have easily expected a breakout by today. But today we don't have any news. Tomorrow there is a news, so let's wait and watch. So dollar is heading towards a narrow channel. Dollar is squeezing, so let's wait and watch. And if you look at a chart of gold here, then we can see that gold is still inside the range only. Yesterday we discussed about the range of 1965 to 1955 on the chart of gold. Yesterday we got a good opportunity here, but sadly gold is still inside the range only. And if we look at the chart carefully, then we can see that gold is not coming down. This is the 50 minutes time frame. And if you look at the chart carefully, then we can see that slowly gold is also forming higher lows. It means that buyers in the market are trying their best to take the market up, but they do not have the required strength right now, as a result of which they are unable to go for a breakout. Since yesterday, the buyers in the market are trying their best to break the highs here. So still market is inside the range, so we cannot do anything right now. Okay, and if you look at the Forex time frame, then we can also see a similar scenario. We can see a symmetrical triangle pattern on the chart of gold as well. So gold is also getting ready for a breakout. And if we look at chart prime, then we can see that chart prime generated a signal on Monday. The signal generated by chart prime did pretty well, but due to the uncertain market condition, the tool saved us. But if you know how to trade on divergence, then the oscillator has been doing a fine job where it is clearly showing you the divergence on the market. The new advanced tools of chart prime are very powerful, and you can see that they also tells us about the dynamic support resistances. So if you're not familiar with dynamic support resistance, you don't need to worry. The tool tells you everything. And in our previous videos, we have seen how powerful the prime oscillator is, and recently the prime oscillator has been modified, upgraded to prime oscillator pro, so it is more powerful with the divergences. And if you prefer to trade on smart money and chart pattern detection, then the tool does the job for you. You can see how beautifully it is marking the change of character, break of structure. It is also identifying the patterns for you. So it's a ready-made tool that makes your life very easier. The recent changes made by the chart map team are commendable. You should definitely check out. Right now they are giving a 30% off, so please feel free to check out the link in the description, or you can also scan this QR code on the screen. You will get 30% off. You should definitely check out chart map and make your life easy. So as the market is inside the symmetrical triangle pattern, so it is safe for us. It is safe for us to take a buy position if market breaks the level of 1969 to 1970 only. If market breaks this level, if you see that finally market is out of the range, then you can consider taking a buy position. And one more reason why market is struggling to cross this particular level here, you can see that we also have the 100 moving average, which is also acting as the dynamic resistance for the market. As market does not have much volume and volatility, it is unable to cross the 100 moving average. During the US session, if market finds some volatility and volume, then obviously market will be over the 100 moving average, but the problem will be the line at the top. So for safer entry, it's better to take a buy above 1969 or 1970 only. So if you also get a breakout right now in this scenario, it's better to avoid. And if you look at the 15 minutes time frame again, then we can see that yesterday when the range was 1965, market gave a lot of false breakouts. So it is very necessary to wait for the right time. So as a result, try to consider this particular portion of the market, 1967, 66, 68, as the no trading zone. Okay, this is your no trading zone because already market has shown many false breakouts yesterday. So it's better to wait for the right time. And if you see that market is going for a breakout above 1969, 67, 1970, then only try to go for a breakout, buy position, and follow proper risk management, because you need to save your hard-earned money and capital as well. And on the other hand, if market breaks this particular level here, you can see that right now the level of 1960, the level of 1960 is working as the temporary support for the market. Okay, level of 1960. If you find market below 1960 or market crossing 1960 with volume, with your big red candle, then also you can consider taking a sell position. It's a quick it can be a quick sell scalping opportunity. Okay, you can expect a profit of 20-30 pips max. If you see market crossing this level here, mostly the market is taking support around the 50 moving average and the 100 moving average on the 50-minute chart as well. So if market breaks the 100 moving average here, then you can see that there is no immediate support. That's why I'm saying that we can also expect a profit of 20-30 pips if market breaks the 100 moving average or the level of 1960-61 on the 15 minutes time frame as well. And right now the support, okay, if you're wondering about the support, then to be honest, we do not have any strong support right now. All the strong supports are quite far away. Okay, so the strategy of gold is still the same that we have been discussing. Okay, if market breaks, if market starts falling, then 1910, 1909 is the ultimate support. I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you, but yes, things are not very easy right now. Okay, and during the day, if you see that market, okay, market is going down, market is going below 1955 level, then also you can consider taking a sell position. The line at the bottom, which is also the trend line of the symmetrical triangle pattern, may work as dynamic support during the day, but to be honest, I'm not sure. So as a result, I will not recommend a buy opportunity as of now. If market takes support in the live market during the US session or when there will be a breakdown, then we can think about taking a buy position in the line at the bottom. But otherwise, it's better to avoid right now. So if I wrap it up, okay, if you wrap it up, then We have a symmetrical triangle pattern on the chart of DXY, so there's a high chance that we will get a breakout very soon. Similarly, we also have a symmetrical triangle pattern on the chart of gold as well. Yesterday we saw market giving us many false breakouts, so as a result of which it's better to wait for the market to give us a complete breakout, because right now market is struggling near 19 struggling because of the 100 moving average. Okay, and we also have a trend line from the top which is acting as the dynamic resistance. So if market breaks 1969 1970 level, then we can consider that finally market is out of the range and we can consider a buy. What will be the TP? At least market should be heading towards 1981 82 level, the level here. If market breaks this level here, market will be heading towards this level. Okay, so 1966 67, okay, that level, okay, is kind of a no trading zone right now for us because of the uncertainties in the market. And market on the lower time frame is also forming higher lows. Okay, that signifies that buyers are still present in the market and they are trying their best to take the market up. In case the buyers surrender and market breaks 1961-62 level, if you see market trading below the 100 moving average, you can go for a quick sell opportunity where you can expect 20 to 30 pips. During the day, if the volatility of the market is normal, if you see that market is not extremely volatile and market is coming down, then you can expect 1955-54 level to work as support again, because this support is still very much valid. It depends whether the volatility of the market is high or low. In high volatile situation, obviously the level does not have the strength, but if you see a volatility like to yesterday, then obviously you can expect it to go. In case market breaks 1955 level, obviously we can look for a quick not quick sell, okay, good selling opportunity for at least 50-60 pips. And support, the strongest support is very far away, 1910 1909 level, but the trend line from the bottom, okay, may act as dynamic support as well, but to be honest, we are not sure right now, so let's wait and watch. Time will speak. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Follow proper risk management, okay, because this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, bye bye, take care.